Hello, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what are the requirements needed to install a roof coating system. Roof coating systems on their own are very popular nowadays. You can just prepare an existing roof, put the coating on it, and you get a brand new warranty. It'll turn a dark colored roof into gray or white, whatever you want to do. Increase the roof's reflectivity, lower the roof temperature, reduce the workload on HVAC units, save on energy costs, etc. So they're very attractable roofing application nowadays, but a lot of roofs aren't eligible to receive them. So really there's three requirements. The first thing is the existing insulation must be less than 25% saturated. If the roof is holding a bunch of water and it's 50% saturated, you're better off just ripping it all off and then installing a brand new roofing system, whatever. If you want to do TPO, EPDM, spray foam, whatever you want to do, but if it's too saturated, you're not going to be able to coat it. The second thing is annual maintenance must have occurred. Roofs, the drains get clogged, the seams have a little uplift, fasteners back out, flashings are damaged. There's a million reasons how a roof can get damaged, but if the roof's not looked at every year, you can see these simple repairs, make them, and then, the damage is done. But if roof has been neglected for 3, 4, 5 years, that little fastener that backed out, that could bring so much water in, and that makes the roof go over that 25% insulated wetness threshold. So when the roof's not maintained annually, it's not going to be eligible for a coating system. And the last thing is the seams and flashings must be in decent condition. There is some seam reinforcement that does happen when we do these coating systems, but if they're too far gone, too much damage, too ripped up that it's just not secure enough to put coating over top of it, it's not going to be eligible for a coating system. Really, those are the three requirements, and I went through these pretty quickly, but if you want to, there's a link in the description where you can learn more about each of these 3 points and other things about coating systems that I didn't mention in the video. But hope you learned at least one thing new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.